What's up, area? This is your girl Mariana, Queen of Cars, Queen of Finance. Bay Area, believe it or not, 1 out of 3 Americans has zero credit or bad credit. If you are in the market for a vehicle, you are in the right place. And if you're not, well, you're about to be. Keep watching this video because we have options for everybody. We work with first-time buyers, people with collections, and even people who want extremely low interest rates, as low as 2.99, because we officially work with all credit unions who offer you a super low interest rate. And it gets better. If you are a first-time buyer, if you have a job and you've been there at least 6 months and you have a California driver's license, you are approved for a super low interest rate with credit union, even with absolutely zero credit. And for all my people who have bad credit, or you have zero credit but you only have 3-4 months at the job, do not worry, because we have banks that will approve you with zero credit or with collections on your credit. Bay Area, are you ready? I've got cars, I've got inventory, I've got approvals, and today is your lucky day. Make sure you stick around for the whole video. Take a look and see what car you like. As soon as you see one, click on that link, apply now, and let's get you approved.
Queen of Cars.
What's up, what's up?
That everything sounds good, but how is the quality of your car?
The quality of our vehicles are amazing. We cherry pick our vehicles. We have a team of special buyers who only specialize in purchasing our vehicles. They cherry pick our vehicles, so they're not buying them in bulk. They are cherry picking all of our vehicles. All of our vehicles are certified clean title, no accidents by Carfax, and most of them are one owner vehicles, like this Dodge Challenger that you see over here. This crisp apple red Dodge Challenger is a one owner vehicle certified by our friend, the Carfax.
All right, that sounds good. So another question is, what if I get paid cash and I have California ID? How much of a down payment would I need? And I have some collections on my credit.
You have collections on your credit.
I get paid in cash.
You get paid cash.
And I don't have a driver license.
You don't have a driver's
but
license.
I want to have a car.
But you want to have a car.
Can you sell me a car?
I will hook you up with a car.
All right.
Now, the down payment is going to depend on a couple of factors, whether you want a sports car or whether you want a small sedan. It really depends on what you want, and also how much you get paid.
But look, I would like to do this.
What
if I come in and I give you $1,500 and I says, hey man, Mariana, I want this Camaro in the back, but look, I only have $1,500, I have no driver license, and I have no proof of income. Is it gonna happen?
Oof. It's not gonna happen.
Okay.
I'm gonna be straight up with you. I'm gonna keep it real. If you don't have a driver's license, you don't have a pay stub, and you have bad credit, $1,500 down for this Camaro, my friend, I'm sorry, you are not taking it home today.
Or what if I give you like 5,000, 7,000?
Well, then you're talking a different language now.
So it's possible.
It's very possible.
Money talks.
You have to have something strong.
Correct.
If you don't have a long time at your job, okay. If you don't have good credit, okay. But if you have a good down payment, then now we're talking.
But what about other situations?
Like what?
I have a good job. I have a good driver license, not suspended.
Okay.
I've been on my job for 2 or 3 years. I make $4,000 or $5,000 a month, but I only have $2,000 to $3,000 maximum as a down payment.
You are 100% approved, my friend. Come in, because you have a lot of options based on everything that you just told me. Not only do you have an option for a sports vehicle, you have options for a sedan, an SUV, even a truck. And even better, if you have a driver's license, you've been at your job 6 months or more, my friend, you are approved with a low interest rate with a credit union. So not only are you approved.
Yeah, but that's for people that has no credit. I do have some collections on my credit.
Oh, you have collections on your credit?
Correct.
Don't worry. We have banks that will hook you up if you have collections on your credit. So if you have collections on your credit, you have a good job, you have about $2,000 down, you have a valid ID, a good driver's license, then you are approved with one of our other banks. They will approve you for one of these cars.
With a low down payment.
With a low down payment, yeah.
Right. Sounds good. Can you show me some trucks?
Sure. Let's go. Let's go, Bay Area. Let's go take a look at some trucks. If you want something for work, if you're looking for a truck, we've got GMC Sierras.
Queen of Cars, quick question. So I work for myself and I do not deposit all my money to the bank account. I deposit probably like half or even just to pay my bills. The other, I keep it under my pillow. Can you get me approved on a truck?
I can get you approved on a truck. You're going to need a good down payment. If we can't prove a good source of income for you, but we know that you are making that income, maybe you're only depositing some of it and you're keeping some of it at home, you have a valid ID, and either whether you're a first-time buyer or you have a few collections on your credit, you can get approved for a truck. You will need, however, a good down payment. I'm talking about $5,000, $6,000.
So basically, I'm a construction guy, plumber, contractor, electrician, gardener, and I don't have a proof of income, but I have a lot of work. You will make it happen for a truck?
We will make it happen for a truck.
For sure.
For sure, for sure. Let's go take a look. GMC Sierra. We have Dodge Ram diesel in the house. You have another Dodge Ram over here. F-150, Ford F-150, 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. We have plenty of trucks to choose from. We have more cars, more trucks coming in. We have a bunch of sedans, SUVs. We have something for everybody. Minimum requirements: you must have a job of at least 3 months, have a valid ID, and have a down payment of at least $1,500 to $2,000 down for one of our vehicles. Here at San Jose Amigos Auto Sales Bay Area, we make it happen. Look, I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste my time. Here, we keep it straight up, we keep it real. If you're looking for a car and you have those requirements, you're approved. No jokes, no gimmicks. Click on that link and apply today.
Queen of Cars, where are you located?
We are located at 395 South Winchester Boulevard here in San Jose, California. Take a look at this beautiful Jeep. I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the back, show you the inventory. Now we're gonna come all the way around and show you the fresh, crispy inventory that we just got in. Let's go, let's go.
All
Jeep.
Right, let's go, Queen of Cars.
Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Just arrived.
Just arrived. Ford Fusion. Just arrived. Honda Civic. Just came in. We have a Mercedes Benz right here. Beautiful, beautiful car in the house. You want some luxury? We've got it. We have a Honda Civic. Blue Honda Civic just came in. We have a BMW 3 Series in the house, ready to go. Chevy Camaros. We have a ton of Chevy Camaros this month, guys. We are pulling into September. We are pulling in, and once we hit September, stay out of the way because we're gonna go full force. Chevy Camaro, Nissan Altima, Nissan Sentras, Chevy Cruze, Chevy Malibu, Jeep Liberty. We have
The Queen of Cars.
What's
Real
up,
talk.
what's up, real
Real
talk.
talk. Approximately. What is the mileage on your car? How old are your vehicles? If I buy it, is it going to break down on me?
Come, take a look.
What is the
Come
deal
over
with
here.
all this?
Take a look over here. I'm going to answer all of your questions.
All right.
All of our vehicles are clean title certified by Carfax.
Okay.
All of our vehicles, most of our vehicles have low mileage. I'm talking about under 80,000.
Okay.
All of our vehicles are offered an extended warranty. So you don't have to worry about if something breaks down, you are 100% covered. And not only that, you also get a maintenance package, oil changes, battery changes if needed. A maintenance package. What? You heard it here. So yes, clean cars, low mileage. All of our vehicles are late model vehicles, 2018, 19, 20, 21. So if you're looking for something good, you know you're gonna find it here at San Jose Amigos Auto Sales. $1,500 down and drive today. We do have options for you if you only have $1,500 down. We have options for you if you want a sports car. We have options if you want an SUV. Remember, we help good people with all types of credit. So whether you have excellent credit and you want a low interest rate as low as 2.99 or even lower, we have credit unions that work with you and will get you approved if you've been there 6 months at the job, if you have a valid California driver's license, and if you're a first-time buyer, you will get a low interest rate. But if you have collections on your credit, but you have a stable job and a valid ID, you will get approved with one of our banks. Maybe you have a repossession, but you have a good job and a good down payment, you will get approved with one of our banks. Amigos, my friends, your job is your credit here at San Jose Amigos Auto Sales. That's the most important thing we look at, is that you are currently driving.
All new cars just came in.
They just came in.
Cool.
It smells fresh. Fresh inventory. Mini Cooper. This is a Mini Cooper Countryman small vehicle. Do you like it small? We have it here for you too. This is a gas saver. This is a compact vehicle, European vehicle, ready to go.
Queen of cars. Real talk to the camera and shoot straight. I see so many commercials on Facebook lately saying $995 down, drive today, and they show these expensive cars, $50,000, bad credit, no credit, welcome, $1,000 down, drive today. And people, you know what? I read the comments. They go there, they put $1,000 down and says, okay, I want a truck. Guess what they tell them? Oh, no. You must have 800 credit score. You must have this. You must have that. What's the difference between you and the rest of these car dealerships that they just have the hook for you to go there and then later on they tell you, oh, I came in to buy a Camaro. Now you want to sell me a Ford Focus.
Well, I think you just answered that question yourself.
But I'm sure you're not like that.
We here at San Jose Amigos Auto Sales, we keep it straight up. One of the worst things is wasted time. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want you to waste mine. So I'm telling you straight up, click on that link and apply, because everybody's situation is created a little bit different. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need before you come in. I've heard so many stories of people coming in and saying, oh, they promised me this, but at the end they asked me for a co-buyer. At the end they asked me for more down payment. At the end I couldn't get the car I wanted, or this or that. Here, that's not the case. If you need $5,000 down, I'm going to tell you that you need $5,000 down, or even 6, or even 7, whatever the number is. If you need a co-buyer, I'm going to tell you that you need a co-buyer before you even step at this lot. If you need something else, I will tell you. I will be straightforward with you, and I'm not going to promise you the world, because I'm not going to be able to give it to you. If you qualify for a car with $1,500, then that's what it is.
So $1,500 is not going to get you. Example, let's go show this BMW.
$1,500 will not get you this BMW, no sir, unless you have excellent credit. So the answer is yes and no. If you have, let's say you have a good job, but you have collections on your credit, it's not going to get you this BMW. It's not going to get you this BMW. But if you have excellent credit and you're looking for one of these bad boys, then yes, $1,500 will get you in this car, even possibly
So
zero.
what I understand, you have a car with $1,500, no matter what the reason is, you'll put it in a certain car. Not all the car will qualify, right?
Of course.
So if I have 5,000, I have more option. If I have 2,000, I have more option.
Yes.
But if I have 1,500, you still will put me in a car and go home, right?
Exactly.
So basically, don't come on in or apply and find out which car with what down payment you have in your pocket you will get. Is that what you're saying?
That's exactly
so basically
what I'm saying.
what I'm hearing, the down payment is the key.
it's not only the key, it's one of the key factors, yes, but other things are important as well. You have to have a job. If you don't have a job and you have a down payment, I'm not going to get you approved. You see?
Okay.
So yes, the down payment is a key factor because it's going to determine a little bit more play area.
So you
right?
have to have some kind of income coming in to pay for a car.
You have to have income, first of all, coming in. You have to have a valid ID, and you have to have a down payment. Now, the down payment is the fun part because that's where we get to play around and see. Maybe you like more expensive car. Okay, we're going to tell you how much of a down payment you need. Maybe you want a more economic vehicle. Okay, we're going to tell you how much down payment you will need. It all depends on you, not me. And I will tell you how much you need. Even if it's a big number, I don't want to scare you. I want you to be prepared. I want you to be prepared when you come in, and there's not going to be any surprises. So that's what it is. Queen of Cars, keeping it straight up for the Bay Area. I have helped thousands and thousands of people get approved for a car. So click on that link, apply now. I have the banks. I work with all credit unions. I work with high risk banks if you have a repossession, if you get paid cash, if you have an ITIN number. Here we make it happen.
Well, thank you, Queen of Cars. Well said. What I got to do now?
395 South Winchester Boulevard. Come this weekend. Guys, you guys saw that we have fresh, brand new inventory ready to go. So come in this weekend, get your car, get your approval, and
One more thing I heard,
make it happen.
you don't work on Sundays. Is that true?
well, we don't work on Sundays right now. But if you want to come in on Sunday, let's say that Sunday is your only day that you can come. I'll make a spot for you, don't you worry. You just click on that link, apply, let me know, hey, I can only come on Sundays. I'll get out of my bed.
But for real,
and I'll
don't
come.
say you're going to come and flake.
No, come on.
It's a Sunday
If
day
you
off.
tell me Sunday is the only day I can come in, I will make sure you get approved and you drive off with a car on Sunday. That's it. So click on that link, apply now, give us a call, or even better, come directly here, 395 South Winchester Boulevard, across the street from Santana Road. Let's make it happen, baby, Bay Area. This is your girl, Queen of Cars, Queen of Finance.
There you go, guys. 395 South Winchester Boulevard. Kenji Sushi. All the other restaurants right across the street. If you like Brazilian steakhouse, Fogo de Chao, it's right there. So buy a car and go have fun, guys. 395 South Winchester Boulevard, San Jose Amigos Auto Sales.